Psychology students and parents. This is my my parent orientation. I thought I'd do a unique place for it, and yes, we were at Gettysburg National Park, and I thought it would be a fun place to do it, and give you guys an opportunity to also kind of think about, wow, what God's created. And that's what we're going to be doing a lot in AP Psych. I know everyone kind of focuses on Freud, and we certainly will talk about Freud, but one of the things that we do a lot in AP Psych is to kind of just point out how God has created us and how so many different aspects of who we are is something that can only be done by a holy creator. And we'll definitely talk about that. We're going to look at 14 chapters. We're going to get through all 14 chapters because we need to get through all 14 chapters. You'll definitely need your device. If we meet in person, I am still not opposed to doing printed copies. If you want a printed copy, I still think that there's a lot of value in writing things as opposed to inputting things. We will use the Google to definitely assign stuff. If you're a person that's an Eagle online, we'll definitely have that available for you guys at Google. But all the teaching materials you're going to find are still going to be found on OneNote. Most of my Google posts will probably be to go to OneNote. So please, when I invite you to OneNote, please go ahead and click that and go ahead and get that invitation, as well as when I invite you to Google as well. Please click in on and get in on that as well. But yeah, I'm going to still be using OneNote. Most of my materials are pretty good there on OneNote, so I'll be using OneNote for most of the instruction. Please make sure you guys pay attention in these first days. We're going to be talking about active reading. This is how we save ourselves from rereading 500 pages of reading prior to the exam. Cool thing about not having the exam is we're not going to have an exam in in June, because we're going to be taking the exam in May instead. And so once we take the exam in May, we just do a group of stuff that's pretty easy to do, and if you pay attention, you do pretty well on it. We are going to have a midterm, and that's the one test where I will curve it, just because it's a test that probably you've never taken before, and I'm sure that this will be challenging at time. But gosh darn it, guys, this is a really fun class. I love getting together in this class and just talking. Please, if you have any opportunities, during the time when we first start, to just kind of look over the book. I'll give you some suggestions, but we're definitely going to be talking about the active reading, because that's going to get us to where we need to go. Certainly, like I said, you need your device. If you're going to use paper, and if we have the opportunity to use paper, you'd probably need some awesome pencils and pens. If we can get on to the online thing that I'm looking at, I'll try to do that as well. If we can do that, that's an also helpful thing, as well as looking at the AP online helps as well, if we can once get on those. Don't be afraid of this class. This class will be challenging at times. I've had people that have done poorly. I mean, we're talking really bad, not C bad. I know a lot of you guys think C's are horrible. We're talking people that wouldn't get anything above a 60. That's bad. And some of them were able to get a 3 or a 4 on the exam. So there's hope. So don't get discouraged. It's me. We'll get you through it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been awesome to talk to you a little bit about AP Psychology. Can't wait to see you guys, and definitely take advantage of the rest of these days before you come to school. Can't wait to see you guys. And Mrs. Schmidt's giving you a view of the Slaughter pen that she just went by, and Over near to the top there is Little Round Top. And like I said, we're over here in Devil's Den right now. It's been fun. This has been a fun anniversary for my wife and I. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and see you soon. Bye guys.